Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the out-of-memory error in your Google Chrome browser. And now let's get started. When you encounter the out-of-memory error in Google Chrome, it can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to access websites. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. First, let's try closing unnecessary tasks within Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dotted lines located at the top right corner, then hover over More Tools and select Task Manager. This will display a list of all active tasks running within your Chrome browser. If you identify any tasks that are not essential, select them, and click on End Process. This action frees up memory for your browser, and you can then try accessing the website again to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, the next step is to enable the Memory Saver feature in Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser again, and click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. You can access the Performance tab in two ways, either by clicking More Tools and then Performance, or by going to Settings and then More Tools. For this demonstration, we will click More Tools and then Performance. Within this section, you will find the Memory Saver option. If it is not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. After enabling Memory Saver, close and reopen your Chrome browser to see if the out-of-memory error has been fixed. Should the problem continue, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is a good next step. Open Google Chrome, click the three dotted lines at the top right, and then select Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down on the right-hand side and click on Privacy and Security again, or the arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, select All Time. Then, clear the data for your browsing history, cookies, and cached images for the entire history. Once this is done, close and reopen Chrome and attempt to access the website again. Another effective solution is to disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser. Click the three dotted lines at the top right and select Settings. On the left-hand side, find System. Under the System section, locate Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If this option is currently enabled, you need to disable it by turning it off. After disabling hardware acceleration, close Google Chrome and then reopen it to check if the out-of-memory error is resolved. If the problem still persists, we can adjust the paging file size settings in Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select System. On the right side of the System window, click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab, and under Performance, click on Settings. In the Performance options, click on the Advanced tab again, and then click on Change under Virtual Memory. Ensure that the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives option is checked. Click OK. If prompted to restart your computer, please do so. Once your computer has restarted, open Chrome and check if the issue has been resolved. Finally, ensure your Google Chrome browser is up to date. Open Chrome, click the three dotted lines at the top right, select Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. This section will check for and install any available updates. Once the update is complete, close and reopen Chrome to see if the out-of-memory error has been fixed. All these steps should ideally resolve the out-of-memory error in Google Chrome. If you are still experiencing issues after trying everything, please leave a comment in the section below, and I will do my best to provide further assistance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.